In this video, we will demonstrate the disassembly procedure of the Fenac FNC SCK2048 K14 Encoder. Remove the encoder cover. Carefully disconnect the connector cable. Using a 2mm Allen key, loosen the set screw located on the outer pulley. Using a 4mm Allen key, loosen the M5 mounting screw inside the encoder. Tighten the M10 screw to separate the encoder from the motor shaft. Remove the M10 screw. Remove the M5 screw from the motor shaft. Remove the encoder from the motor shaft by hand or using a screw.
Fenac Automation Control.